So sorry. I kesian sangat dekat you. Tak patut Nazim jerit kat you macam tu. Dia tu kalau marah memang out of control. I know, okay? I know you're not like that. I kenal you. You takkan buat semua tu, kan? Okay, macam ni. Why not you bagi Nazim masa? Dia tengah marah I kan dia. Ya Allah, I tak buat pun semua tu. I swear. I tak guna sikit pun duit tu, Dik. Tapi sekarang ni, you jangan sedih. Sekarang ni, you just take care of your baby, okay? I trust you.